Good morning, Advanced Math, period 2. This is the third video, and I'm on the third page of the review from Unit 7 through 10. Today I'm going to give a shout out to the group with Lacey, Ashley, and Cassie. Sorry, Robert, you moved to the back, so I'm going to add you in a different group. Lacey, I miss your cute smile and your rolling your eyes at Asian. Ashley, I miss your desk stares. Yes, you give me desk stares, but I know that it's all good. And Cassie, I kind of miss you being late all the time. Yep, you are late all the time. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with number 29. There have been so many questions about number 29. Okay, so just to clarify this, every time I tell everyone what the answer is, they don't get it. So what an inverse does is it undoes something. So if you start with 5 and you put in this equation, yeah, it would be ugly, but you could put in this equation. And then if you take that answer and put in the inverse, what happens? Well, an inverse undoes something. So it really doesn't matter what this equation is or the inverse does, it's going to undo it. So for example, let's not worry about that equation. Let's just do an easy one. What if f of x was x plus 2? So if we found f of 5, it would be 5 plus 2, which is 7. Well, the inverse function of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So if we put 7 into that, what are we going to get back? 5. It doesn't matter what the equation is. It could be the hardest equation ever, but if you put 5 into the original and then take that answer, put the inverse, you get back 5. So that's number 29. Next one I thought I'd go over is number 40, dealing with fog and GOF. This one's fog. So if you guys remember, it means this. So I'm going to take the 2x plus 1 and put it in the g equation. Okay, so you guys have it probably in front of you, but this is what the f of x equation was, and this is what the g of x equation was. So I'm going to plug that in there. So g of 2x plus 1 would equal 2x plus 1 squared plus 7 times 2x plus 1. You replace every x with 2x plus 1. This I'm going to have to FOIL. That's going to become 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Distribute that. And I'm going to get that this equation equals 4x squared plus 18x plus 8. Now I'm going to plug that into the f of equation. So I'm going to take the equation that was x plus 6 and I'm going to plug that in there. So 4x squared plus 18 plus x plus 6. So your final answer becomes that. Number 41 is very similar, but you're going to get a numerical answer. And number 39 is very similar, but you're going to get a numerical answer. Okay, last question I want to talk about. I'm going to move this a little bit. I'm going to talk about number 43. Okay, so you're given that f of x over 6 is equal to x squared minus 5x. You have to go backwards and find f of x. Okay, to do that, you have to let x equal the opposite of that, which would be 6 times x. And so you're going to find f of 6 times x over 6. So everywhere there's an x, you're going to put 6x equals 6x squared minus 5 times 6x. So you get 36x squared minus 30x. Number 42 is just like that. Again, let me know if you guys have any questions. Tomorrow I will go over page 4. And then on Monday, I will go over page 5. Have a great day. Please work on some math. Bye.